What is up, sis? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Kensha and welcome. And if you're returning, hey sis, hey, what's up? So based off the title of the video, you already know that this is my second update for my project pan. So let's just jump right into it. All right, sis. So I've actually used my baby up. The baby I'm referring to is Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Radiant. You guys already know. Intro, we started at 50%. First update, we were about 30%, and now your girl has used this product up. Super sad, but I'm just really sad about this one. But luckily, I have a backup. The next mist that I've used up is Miss Pure Seduction. She is empty, y'all. And I didn't realize that this was an ombre bottle until somebody in my comments was like, hey, that product is not going, oh, it's actually an ombre bottle, which I did not realize. So shout out to you, sis. I can't remember your name, but thank you for telling me that. So first intro, we were about 70%. First update, you guys know I did not even spray this. This was just not a scent I was grabbing, but second update, we finally used this one up. The next item I've used up is the strawberry lotion. This is the Ultra Shea Body Cream from Bath and Body Works. Intro, we were about 90% through. Of course, this is kind of like faded due to the oils from my hand and me just using this product. First update, we made it about 40%, and now this is finally done, y'all. So with this product, I don't know where my scissors are to actually cut this open. I think my child has done something with the scissors, and so yeah, don't drag me in the comments because your girl did not cut this open. But just know this product is completely used up. Look, y'all, it's flat. So I also used up Oahu Coconut Sunset. In the intro, we started at 70%. First update, you guys know this is another product that I did not touch, just wasn't gravitating towards it. Second update, we have completely used this one up. Along with that same scent, I used the lotion. Started off at 50%. First update, did not touch it. So now it's completely empty. I enjoyed the scent, but I started to realize why I was using it so sparingly before. I just kind of got tired of it kind of fast. Even though I like coconut scents, I kind of got tired of it from using it so much. So yeah. So let's jump into the products that I've actually kind of made a little bit of a dent in. I do want to say those products that I use up, I don't plan on rolling anything in because you guys know I was trying to use these products up before SAS. So the next update will be a finale. So starting off, we have the strawberry shower gel. When I entered this product in, it was brand new. First update, we were about 80%. Second update now, we are at 20%, y'all. So hopefully I can get this one used up. This is one that I found myself gravitating towards more than my other shower gels. Next up, we have another shower gel. This is blueberry. Now, you guys know I was trying to use blueberry sparingly because I was on the verge of using a blueberry. Oh, I forgot to mention. Okay, so I actually use blueberry up. Last update, I know I told you guys I cut it open, but she is officially used up. I do want to mention that. I know I just jumped around real fast, but blueberry is used up. That's a product I forgot to mention. Okay, so back to the shower gel. You guys know I don't like to mix and match my scents, so I was trying to save blueberry for the shower, for the body cream, but I ended up using the body cream a lot faster than the shower gel. So intro, we started Blueberry off with 80%. First update, we were literally halfway, sis. And now second update, we are 30% through. So I think I can get through Blueberry and Strawberry by the finale. The next shower gel I have is the Miss Thousand Wishes, y'all. You guys, if you've been watching my project pan, you know it's been a struggle for me with this damn shower gel. Like, I have not made any progress, really. So, intro, we were 40%. First update, I did not use it at all. Here we are at the second update, and I made just a tiny dent in it, y'all. We're getting there. We are getting there. So, I would say we're about 30%. So this is what I'm going to really focus on. Hopefully I can get this used up by the finale, because baby girl is 5 years old and she's starting to turn a little dark on me. So I got to use this up, y'all. So hopefully next update she will be used up. I don't know why she's just not a scent I've been gravitating towards in the shower. But like, as far as like the mist and the spray, I can get through that like that. But I don't know, that one's just a struggle. So another product, y'all, that your girl has made a little bit of progress in is XL Victoria. We started this project off in the intro at 50%, and you guys know the first update did not bother her at all, did not use this product. Here we are, second update, and made just the tiniest dent in it. Not much progress, but I would say we're about 40%. Another item we have is Dark Kiss. Dark Kiss, I would say we were about 70% intro. First update, did not use this product. Here we are, second update, and I would say we're about halfway. So I've made just the tiniest progress on it. This is one I kind of wish I didn't put in my project, because I'm having a hard time just using this product. I don't want to take it out. I want kind of to commit myself to using this one, but this is a great nighttime scent. But since it's warming up, I don't find myself gravitating towards the scent. I find myself actually gravitating towards the newer scents that are out. So that's probably another reason why your girl is making just the tiniest progress on some of these products, because I've honestly just been gravitating more towards those new products that are out. Next we have 1,000 Wishes. 1,000 Wishes, I made just a small amount of progress on. I wrote this one in because I used coconut lima in my intro. So first update, this was entered. We were about 50%. Now I would say we're about 40%. Hopefully this is the one that I can actually get through, especially since this is an older version of 1,000 Wishes. Next, along with that, we have 1,000 Wishes, the body lotion. This, of course, is another scent that I wrote, another pairing that I wrote in. Update number 1, we were 50%. Now I would say we're about 35% from the bottom. I definitely can get through body creams. If you guys haven't noticed, I can just truck along. What's that little dance they be doing? Them Zen Z kids, they be doing that little dance. Like, I'm trucking along with the body creams, but the body lotions I am struggling with. So last but not least, for this update, intro for Cashmere Glow, the lotion. We started at the top. I would say I was about 90%. First update, we made a little bit of progress. We're about 80%, and now I would say we're about 60%. We're almost to that halfway mark with this one. This is another lotion that I really enjoy using, but I find that it's a little too warm. This is too warm of a scent that I want for right now, because it's starting to warm up outside. So But your girl is going to use it up by the next update. Let me know down below, y'all, if you want to see a summer project pan from me. And if you made it this far, girl, just go ahead and drop a trash can emoji in the comments. Your girl will see you in the next update. Y'all have a good one. Bye.